Great, so hello, this is an introductory video to the moot court session, which will take place during the International Disability Law Summer School, being hosted at the Centre for Disability Law and Policy at NUI Galway in Ireland. Some of you may already know, but our summer school proceedings culminate in a moot court session taking place on the Friday morning. Moot court is an opportunity for you to apply everything that you've learned during the week to a kind of a semi-real mock trial. We've provided a fictitious scenario based on this year's theme of disability during times of crisis, conflict and climate change. Don't worry, you don't need to have studied law or be a lawyer in any way to participate and enjoy moot court. You'll see from our programmes that we have set aside time for preparation for moot court during the evenings of the week, and these sessions will be facilitated by members of our summer school team. It's really important at the start of your preparations with your team to identify who your lead advocates are and for them to prepare to make statements in front of the mock committee. All of the materials that you will need will be provided to you, and the scenario is also available through the OneDrive. When you read the scenario, you'll see it is quite complex with a lot of details, and you're going to have to very carefully consider how the situations outlined are relevant to your group and how it impacts on arguments that you want to make to the committee. You will also see the procedural rules for moot court in the OneDrive. So this year we're going to have 4 teams, 3 in-person teams in Galway and 1 online team. So it doesn't matter if you're attending online or in person, moot court is still available to you. And you're going to be notified about which team you are allocated to on the first day of our summer school. So to give you a little bit of information without spoiling too much detail of the scenario, our teams are the Disabled People's Organisation, a DPO called Future Right Now, and they are taking a case against the Republic of Future, our fictitious country. Then we also have 2 teams who are acting as amicus curiae, or friend of the court. One of these is a climate change non-government organisation called HEAT, and also the National Human Rights Institution of the Republic of Future, which will be the Human Rights Commission of Future. Like I said before, arguments are made to a 3-person mock CRPD committee, and they will be judging the teams. Each team is going to prepare and present arguments to the committee. Points will be awarded based on evidence of research, relevance to the scenario, coherence of addressing the court, and also keeping to the time allocated. So opening arguments from the complainant, which is the DPO Future Right Now, and the state, which is Republic of Future, will be given 15 minutes each. The amicus curiae teams, then HEAT, the Climate Change NGO, and the National Human Rights Institution will be given 10 minutes each to make their arguments. The complainant, Future Right Now, and the State, Republic of Future, will then have 10 minutes to make rebuttals to any arguments made before, and every team then will get 1 minute to make concluding remarks. Moot court is always an extremely fun way to reflect on any learning that we've made over the week. It's a really fun opportunity to engage with your fellow participants, to meet with people from lots of different backgrounds, and again, it's not overly legally focused, so please take any information, any knowledge, any experience that you have. It's all extremely valuable to your team during moot court. So we really hope that you will enjoy the moot court exercise. It's always a great opportunity to engage with your teammates and to apply the learning from the week in a not so serious court situation. So we look forward to seeing you then.